Next is specification of DAC. So, the specification of DAC is resolution, speed, linearity, settling time, reference voltage, and errors. So what is resolution? This is the number of possible output level that the DAC is designed to reproduce. This is usually stated as the number of bits it uses, which is the base of 2 logarithmic of number of levels. Dynamic range is one of the specification. This is the measurement of difference between the largest and the smallest signal that the DAC can reproduce expressed in decibels. This is usually related to DAC resolution and noise floor. Next is resolution, the smallest analog increment corresponding to 1 LSB change. An n-bit resolution can result 2 raised to n distinct analog levels. Common DAC has 8 to 16 bit resolution. The speed, the rate of conversion of single digital input to its analog equivalent. The conversion rate depends on the clock speed of input signal, settling time of the converter. When the input changes rapidly, the DAC conversion speed must be high. Linearity, the difference between the desired analog output and the actual output over the full range of expected values. Reference voltage, it is used to determine how each digital input will be assigned to each voltage division. So the types are non-multiplier DAC where V reference is fixed and multiplier DAC where V reference provided by external source. Next is the types of error associated with DAC. So there are variety of errors, that is gain, offset, full scale, resolution, non-linearity, non-monotonic, settling time and overshoot. Last one is applications. So the applications of this is current components, the voltage control amplifier where digital input external reference voltage as a control. Next, digitally operated attenuator where external reference voltage as an input and digital control. And the third is programmable filter where digitally controlled cutoff frequencies. Thank you.